Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. A record 141 million USD outflow from Bitcoin products signals institutions are bearish on BTC coin shares. And institutional investors withdrew that record of 141 million from Bitcoin investment products this past week. So you think it's still untouchable? Very interesting. So Ripple XRP asked the court to impose deadline on the SEC to produce documents. U.S. securities regulator continues to delay the provision of documents critical to Ripple's defense. So in the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit, the San Francisco-based fintech firm has accused the securities regulator of willfully refusing to hand over documents related to BTC, ETH, and XRP. And this is despite Judge Ned Burns' ruling on April 6 ordering the SEC to reveal communications regarding the above cryptocurrencies. The standstill is yet another example of how the SEC's case against Ripple is unraveling. So XRP supply shock could be coming if Ripple decides to settle the SEC lawsuit, says crypto legal expert. So a crypto legal expert is predicting that Ripple's native token XRP may face a supply shock if the San Francisco-based firm settles its lawsuit with the U.S. SEC. So in a new video, lawyer and XRP supporter Jeremy Hogan discusses a scenario in which Ripple is able to settle its legal battle with the SEC and how that turn of events could impact XRP. Stating, "I believe that a settlement agreement would likely include Ripple paying a penalty, but a penalty specifically limited to dates pre-lawsuit. A settlement would likely not include disgorgement of profits to purchasers because of the impossibility of figuring out how to disperse the funds, and a settlement could also very well contain a term in which includes limitations on sales of XRP released from escrow." So Hogan also posits that a settlement would likely include an agreement that would limit the sale of XRP to private sales for companies and clients, shrinking the supply of XRP on the market. This would in effect limit or slow the flow of XRP into the marketplace, and sales to Section D or corporate purchasers cannot then be put into a public exchange for 6 months, maybe up to a year. So a settlement containing this term would essentially bottleneck the flow of XRP into the market for years to come. So the attorney notes that should Ripple secure a settlement with the SEC, this would make them the first crypto firm to be fully approved by regulators, stating the settlement would put XRP in the clear as far as securities violations and such, and Ripple would be the first crypto company to be 100% in the clear from the SEC. And as we've stated for the past few years, this is not a big deal. Even if Ripple were to lose, it would just be a simple penalty, and they would keep moving forward. It's the reason we've never really focused on and given a whole lot of attention. Just an update for those of you who are long-term holders. So the Bank of England lays down regulatory expectations for stablecoins, and the Bank of England says stablecoins used as money would be expected to face the same regulatory standards as those attached to bank deposits. And also, too, the U.S. seizes 2.3 million USD in Bitcoin paid to Colonial Pipeline hackers. Justice Department on Monday recovered some 2.3 million USD in cryptocurrency ransom paid by Colonial Pipeline Co., cracking down on hackers who launched the most disruptive U.S. cyber attack on record. The Justice Department has found and recaptured the majority of the ransom paid by Colonial, Monaco said. Guys, remember, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. As always, before we go, I want to leave you with a final thought. Every bad situation will have something positive. Even a stopped clock shows correct time twice a day. Positive thinking equals success. So I want to say much love to each and every one of you, and thanks to your support on Patreon, Surfmeister. Much love, and we will catch you in the next one.